Good morning, dear children. I am Supreet Kaur. Today's topic is a poem named If I Could Be an Astronaut. The name of the poet is Bobby Katz. Bobby Katz. She is an American poet and writer of children's books. Some other poems written by Bobby Katz are Things to Do If You Are the Rain, When You Can Read, and October. Children, these are very good poems and you should read these poems. Children, can you tell me the name of any Indian poet or writer of children's literature? Okay, I am going to tell you the name of a great Indian writer and his name is Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond is an Indian author of British descent. He lives in Mussoorie, India. He was awarded with many awards for his role in the growth of children's literature in India. His very famous poem is Hip Hop Nature Boy and Other Poems. You should also read these poems. Now we will move to the poem. If I could be an astronaut, I would like to go to a planet full of colors with flowers in the snow. I wouldn't go to Venus. I wouldn't go to Mars. I'd find a kind of special place somewhere in the stars. A place where fish have feathers. A place where trees can walk. That's where I will land my spaceship and take a weightless walk. One more time we will read this poem. If I could be an astronaut, I would like to go to a planet full of colors with flowers in the snow. I wouldn't go to Venus. I wouldn't go to Mars. I'd find a kind of special place somewhere in the stars. A place where fish have feathers. A place where trees can walk. That's where I will land my spaceship and take a weightless walk. The child in this poem wishes to go to a planet that is different from our planet Earth and the other planets. So in this poem we will see which type of a place he wants to go and how it is different from our planet Earth and the other planets. Now I am going to explain the poem. If I could be an astronaut, the child in this poem wishes that if he could be an astronaut. Children, do you know the meaning of an astronaut? An astronaut is a person who is trained for traveling in space. Now here the question arises, what do you mean by space? Children, this is our earth and this is the atmosphere of the earth, and space is the area beyond the atmosphere which surrounds the planet Earth and other planets and stars. And what is atmosphere? Atmosphere is the air and gas that surrounds our earth. It is an important part of what makes earth livable. It blocks some of the sun's rays that are very dangerous for our earth. It also has oxygen. The example of atmosphere is the ozone and the other layers which make up the earth's sky. This is the sky of our earth. Now we move to the poem. The child in this poem is saying that if he could be an astronaut, he would like to go to a planet that is full of colors with flowers in the snow. He would not want to go to any other planet like Venus and Mars. He wants to go to a planet that is full of colors with flowers in the snow. He wouldn't go to Venus and he wouldn't go to Mars also. Children, here Venus and Mars are also the planets, but these are different from our Earth. Now one by one we will discuss about Venus and Mars. Children, this is the planet Venus. Venus is the planet that is second in order from the Sun. First planet is Mercury and second is Venus, and it is the nearest to the Earth. It is sometimes referred to be the sister planet of Earth because their sizes are very similar. Now the Mars. Mars is the red planet that is fourth in order from the Sun. First is Mercury, second is Venus, third is Earth, and fourth is Mars. It is after the Earth and before the Jupiter. Now these all are planets. Now, do you know the meaning of a planet? A planet is a very large round object in space that moves around the Sun. So Venus and Mars are also planets, and our Earth is also a planet. But the child doesn't want to go to any of the planet. He doesn't want to go to Venus. He doesn't want to go to Mars or Earth. He doesn't want to go to any of these planets. And he is saying, I'd find a kind of special place. Here, I'd is the contraction of I would. So he would find a kind of special place that is somewhere between the stars. A place where fish have feathers, a place where trees can walk. That's where he will land his spaceship and take a weightless walk. Here land means to arrive on the ground or other surface after moving down through the air. And spaceship is a special aircraft designed for traveling in space. And here weightless walk means to float in the air, because to float in the space or air, because astronauts cannot walk in the space, they float there because there is very less gravity. So children, you have to read this poem, learn this poem, and you have to learn the difficult words from this poem. Now we will do some rhyming words. We will do some rhyming words from the poem. Like good. Good. The rhyming word of good is could. Pull. Rhyming word is full. Go. Rhyming word is snow. Mind. Rhyming word is find. Mars. Rhyming word is stars. Space. Rhyming word is place. There. Rhyming word is where. Wish. Rhyming word is fish. Hand. Rhyming word is land. Talk. Rhyming word is walk. Children, you also have to draw the most beautiful place or a place where you want to go, or you can think, and you also have to color the picture. Color the picture. This work you have to do any of your notebook. You also have to read the poem twice, learn this poem, and read all the words, difficult words and word meanings. Word meanings I will send you through the snap homework, and all the other works related with this chapter I will send you through snap homework. You all have to read the poem and learn it. And the other poems that Bobby Katz has written, that I have mentioned you, any of the poem you can read, and you can also enjoy any of the poems. You can also read the poem written by Ruskin Bond, Hip Hop Nature Boy, and other poems. This is a collection of poems, and these poems are very good. You have to read these poems. You can read these poems from the internet. Thank you, students.